Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Snapback dog filter on TikTok. It's very easy to get, just takes about a minute. All you have to do is head over to the TikTok application and open that up. Once you open the TikTok application, you want to make sure you're on the Discover tab, and you want to go up to the top search bar, and you just want to search for Snapback dog. So just Snapback dog with no space. And just search for that, and all we want to do here is just find a video that's using that filter. So if we just click on this first video right here, you'll notice that it's using the filter. All you have to do is look above the person's username, and you will see the little Snapback dog icon with the little yellow star. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then from here you'll be able to add it to your favorites, and you'll be able to make your own videos with your dog on TikTok. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the Snapback dog filter on TikTok. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.